Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to live translate using your Samsung Galaxy device. So this is one of Samsung's most powerful tool called Live Translate. So when you're on a website and you want to translate anything which is maybe in a foreign language to English or maybe your language, you can go ahead and do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So here we'll be using Internet Browser from Samsung. So here I've opened up a Japanese website. And as you can see, I don't understand Japanese. So I can go ahead and use Galaxy AI to translate all of this into English. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and tap on this Galaxy AI button here. Then we'll tap on Translate. Now it'll basically detect the language and it'll try to download the language pack for it. So I've already downloaded it as it detected Japanese. So you can see it's Japanese here. You can go ahead and change this to whatever language you want to translate it to. I've chosen English. And now as you can see, all of these Japanese writings have been translated to English. Now, of course, Galaxy AI is not everywhere, so maybe you'll see something in WhatsApp. And let's just say, for example, this one here. I have some Hindi here and I want to translate it. You could go ahead and take out your S Pen, tap on this air command, and here you need to find the translate button here. Tap on this. Let me just take a screenshot of this. And now I will go ahead and start translating this. There you go. 2, because the poor do not have courage, the middle does not have leisure, and etc. So this breaks language barriers instantly. So this is great for travelers or international calls, and it uses AI for fast, accurate translations. So there you go guys, that is how to live translate using Galaxy AI on your Samsung Galaxy device.